This camera is very good in taking bad light, landscape.
Hey, what's up guys? So this video you are saying the video wasn't actually clear because the audio is, as you can see, is a little bit terrible. So I'm gonna like skip part to the point where I did the main video of testing manual usage. Like it's kind of like a tutorial. So mind you for taking your time. Sorry for that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
This is what I mean by that. So right now in the camera mode, this is like this is face beautifier. So actually what this does is that once you take picture on it, it's face beautifier mode. Camera tends to look for the accurate size and beautification of your image will be like, your face won't be that blurry, your face won't be that scanty, but if you want to show you the actual way it's going to feel like when you edit it on Pixpro or edit it on Photoshop or any other editing app on Lightroom. That's just how that works, and it does that very well with AI. Apart from that, it's at flash settings, flash cameras, and so on and so forth. But that's not what you're actually here for. I just want to show you for this AI. For instance, you can see this image. So, as I see this picture, you can just click on the side of the image itself. So once you click on it, you see different settings. This is HDR mode. You can turn the image to be HDR mode and HDR settings. You can turn it to be different settings. As you can see, right now we see touch up. This touch up, you press it, press OK. You can see different certified abilities that you can do to the camera, click pictures. Mind you, there are some pictures that the camera doesn't allow to do this kind of settings on. So there are some pictures that you can see that times when you sometimes it does that because you can't be able to see the eyes and some of the settings. The way to be able to enlarge it. This is eye brightening. This is skin softening. This is this red eye reduction. This is skin lightening, skin soft, eye brightening, another eye brightening. I think here eye enlargement. Yes, make your eye bigger. With your eye brightening. And this is skin softening. This one is red eye reduction. This one right, red eye. So these are the settings you can do with AI with this camera. This is also HDR. Despite the fact that you can also take HDR pictures and HDR image with this camera and videos, you can also do that after you have taken your picture. I mean, like once you're taking your picture and video, or your picture most especially, just click on the shutter button and the AI. Just click on shutter button, and as you have taken your picture, you can just go back to the menu in your preset mode and change it to HDR. You know, when you're taking pictures to HDR, it brightens up the screen, brightens up your picture. That's what it does there, brightens it up. I'm having a hard time focusing. So that's for that. I've showed you most of the AI abilities of this camera. You have your settings, formats, copy to card, file numbering, reset versions. All this I'm going to show you this in another video. So make sure you click on the link in the description to watch that videos on how you want to use the manual and the camera settings of the Kodak Pixpro Az425. So I'll show you most of the things that the camera can do. Most people don't know about another advantage of this camera is that you can be able to use macro USB to charge your device straight from the camera. So you guys are actually put it outdoors.